Alright, if you are new to Linux and you've got to try everything, you just got to have it all, let me tell you what, it does not get any better than this. And we are looking at the new point release of Ultimate Edition 3.01 right now on Spatry's Cup of Linux. Alright, we are looking at the new 3.0.1 release of Ultimate Edition. Now, for those of you who saw my 100th episode, you will know on my 5 favorite Linux distributions for beginners, this one is on that list. This is a great distribution for all of you newcomers to Linux who absolutely must try it all. And let me tell you, the developer of this did a magnificent job, as he did with 3.0. However, this release has some additional bug fixes and was built from the ground up. Let's have a look and see what you get with this. Notably, there are so many times many themes, backgrounds, fonts, icon sets, everything you could possibly want to customize your system. This is a customizer's dream right here. Let's just go through, and I'll just scroll through the list here. There are just so many of these. They literally must have gone onto the gnomelook.org website and just downloaded everything that's out there. And I mean, you just simply click on the set that you want. It will apply it for you. And if that is not enough, you can actually just go into customize and do some other little things with it. For instance, you can select the controls. You can select the colors that it's going to use. Sometimes they will not support colors. You can choose a window border that suits your liking. Let's try this one to go with that dark blue theme here. Okay, and you can even select icons. And as you can see, there is a huge list of them. So I mean, you could literally spend all kinds of time. Just there are millions and millions and millions of combinations that you can do with this. Absolutely amazing. Interestingly enough, this is actually a smaller download than the original 3.0. The 3.1 release has a few less games than the original release did, but that's okay, because if you really want the Gamer Edition, they do have a version on their website that you can go ahead and download. But the thing is, there has to be 2 or 3 applications for every kind of thing that you would possibly want to do in Linux. I'm not going to be able to go over all the software that this comes with, but the thing is, you'll get an idea here as we're going through the listing. Here in accessories, you can see that there are tons of them. Yvonne, Window Navigator Calculator, a character map disk usage analyzer, G-Desklets, GNOME Do for launching your favorite applications, help, K-File Replace. There are Q emulators, backup tools, a terminal text editor, and a virus scanner. Okay, only Alro Solitaire and Play on Linux, which is a great front end for Wine for those of you who want to get your Windows applications and games running under Linux. Okay, in graphics, again, tons and tons and tons of stuff here. You get notably the Blender, you get the GIMP, you get LibreOffice Draw, you get my goodness, there's just so many applications here. In Internet, you get your choices between Chromium, you get Firefox, you get Google Earth, you get Conqueror for a similar to Internet Explorer type experience. Just so many wonderful applications. They really thought of it all. And of course, in Office, the LibreOffice suite is included with this. Calibra for all of you who have ebooks. You get AbiWord, a dictionary. I mean, they thought of it all. There are other applications here, programming tools that you can try out. Everything that you need for creating multimedia titles or just simply viewing them. It's all here. Alright, and then in System Tools, you have everything that you need to properly tweak your system. How cool is that? Also, you have wine right here. You can easily configure wine using its configuration tools and such. All in all, this is a well thought out operating system, and I wish I could go into this in greater detail. However, I did cover 3.0 in a lot better detail, and I prefer to use this video here as an addendum. But I mean, absolutely nice how they configured this. All kinds of really cool special effects and comp-his effects pre-configured on here. Well thought out, and a wonderful addition to all the many distributions that are out there in the community. If you thought this review was useful to you, please comment and subscribe. Google+, Facebook, and Twitter will keep you up to date every time I send a new video to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you next time.